Thousands of people are losing their jobs. At the exact same time, one of the world's biggest tech companies is spending billions of dollars, not to hire more workers and not to expand offices, but to invest in machines. And here's the real question. Why is Oracle firing workers while pouring billions into AI? And more importantly, is this the future of work in America? Stay with me, because what's happening right now could affect your job, your income, and the entire economy. What's happening at Oracle? Recently, reports revealed that Oracle is conducting a major round of layoffs. We're not talking about a few hundred people, we're talking about thousands of workers. At the same time, the company is dramatically increasing spending on something else: artificial intelligence. Especially, Oracle is investing heavily in massive data centers, powerful facilities filled with computers designed to run AI systems. These data centers are expensive. Very expensive. We are talking about billions of dollars. So, on one side, workers are being let go. On the other side, machines are being funded. And this is not random. It is strategic. This is bigger than Oracle. What's happening at Oracle is not an isolated event. It is part of a much larger trend across the tech industry. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Meta have all done the same thing. They've reduced staff while massively increasing spending on artificial intelligence. Why? Because AI is becoming the new infrastructure of the digital world, just like electricity and just like the internet. And companies that control AI will likely control the future economy. The real reason companies are cutting jobs. Let's be honest. Companies don't fire workers for fun. They do it for one reason: efficiency. Artificial intelligence cannot perform tasks that used to require human workers. Tasks like customer support, data analysis, writing reports, coding, scheduling, marketing automation, and financial forecasting. And the scary part, AI can often do these tasks faster, cheaper, and 24 hours a day. No breaks, no sick days, and no vacations. From a business perspective, the math is simple. If a machine can do the work of 5 employees, the company saves money. Why layoffs often happen during big investments? This might sound strange, but layoffs often happen when companies are investing heavily. Here's why. When a company decides to shift its strategy, like moving toward AI, it needs money, lots of money. And one of the fastest ways to free up cash is to reduce payroll expenses. Payroll is usually the biggest cost for most companies. So instead of slowly transitioning, companies cut costs quickly. Then redirect that money into new technology. And that is exactly what's happening right now at Oracle. The jobs most at risk. Let's talk about the uncomfortable truth. Some jobs are more vulnerable to AI than others, especially jobs that involve repetitive tasks, data processing, routine decision-making, and administrative work. Examples include data entry clerks, basic programmers, administrative assistants, and call centers workers. These roles are not disappearing overnight, but they are changing, and in some cases, shrinking. The big economic picture. The layoffs at Oracle are not a sign that the company is failing. In fact, the opposite may be true. The company is investing in the future, but that future looks different. It relies more on technology and fewer workers. Oracle is not just firing workers, it is preparing for the future. And that future is powered by artificial intelligence. The real question is not will AI change the economy, because it already is. The real question is, will you be ready when it does?